So, okay, right. Now next is so this is what we are talking about dictionaries, right? So I said about dictionary views. Okay. So these are dictionary view objects. So what are these dictionary view objects is? The objects written by dictionary.keys and dictionary.values and dictionary.items are called which objects here? View objects, and they provide a dynamic view of the dictionaries entries, right? So there are different types of view objects. Now I said there is a key view object, and one more is which one? Values view object, and next one is a items. Right now these are different view objects you have. So there is a keys and there is a values, and there is one more which is called as which one? Items, right? These are different view objects you have. Okay. Yes, this is how you are working with it. So this view objects will provide a dynamic entries of the, yes. So these are the key views and this is value which were items, right? So this is how you are trying to work with it. I say no, like keys is a method and this will return dictionary of keys. Okay. So by using this, you can able to read only keys from the dictionary, right? You can able to read only the keys from the dictionary. You can able to read only keys from the dictionary, right? So you can able to read only the keys from the dictionary by using what is the name of this method here? Keys. Right now, suppose you want to read the values from the dictionary. Only values you want to read from dictionary, right? So how can you read only values from the dictionary, right? So you can read only values from the dictionary by using, for example, values method is there. Okay, for example, I said like student dictionary is there or players dictionary. If you see players dictionary is there. So this players dictionary is having name of the player. So name of the player and then what is that? Score. So what is the key here? Name. And what is the score? What is the value here? Score. Okay, now name of the player. This is the name of the player and this is what here? Score. Some score. Okay, some score I'm taking, right? So now again, now I want to read only what I want is I want to read only values from the dictionary. I want to read only values from the dictionary. How many values are there here? Two values. One is a 10 and one more is what? 30. So how can I read values from the dictionary here? Okay. How can I read values from the dictionary? Okay. Right. So I can read the values from the dictionary by using. So there is a method. Now I want to read only the scores. Then I'll say players dictionary dot values. Okay now. So this will return which view? Values view, right? So this is a scores is a values view here, right? Then after that, I'm writing in names. I want to read only the names from the dictionary. Then how can I read the names from the dictionary by saying players dot? What is the name of the method? Keys. So this will return the values from the dictionary and this will return keys from the dictionary. Keys are nothing but what here? Names. And these are nothing but what here? Values, right? If we are trying to say scores, now this will return values. And if I'm saying names, and this will return which view? Yes. So names are nothing but key view and scores is nothing but which view? Values view, right? So once you run this players dictionary, right? So what is the name of the dictionary? Players dictionary, right? Now you can see these are dictionary of values and these are nothing but dictionary of keys. So there is a dictionary of values are there and there is a dictionary of keys are there. So how many keys are there here? Two keys. Now this is key 1 and key 2 and this is value 1 and value 2, right? So this is how you are trying to do it. Okay. So dictionary is having different views here. Okay. Now you can able to, okay, read it. Yes. Now this is how you are reading it. Only values. Only values means you can use a method called values. Only keys means you are using a method called which one? Keys. Only values means you are using a method called values. Only keys means you are using a method called which one? Keys, right? Okay, now you want to read both key and values. You want to read both key and values. Then you can use one method called which one? Items. Okay, you can use one method called which one? Items. Items is a method. Okay, items is a method that will return both. So what it will return both key as well as which one? Values. So what is the name of the method you have? Items is a method, right? For example, I'm saying like some dictionary. So what is this dictionary is? Some employees dictionary is there. So what employee dictionary is having? Employee number. So what is the key here? Employee number. Then it followed by values. So what is the values I've taken? So name of the employee, salary of the employee. I said, one key is mapped with more than one value. So what is the key here? Employee number. And this list is what here? Values. So what is the key? One or two. And there is a name of the employee. And there is a salary of the employee. So there is a name of the employee. Okay. So there is a value of the employee, right? So there is a dictionary is there having key and values. So there is a key and one more is what here? Values. And there is a key and what here? Values. So keys are nothing but employee numbers and values are nothing but what here? List of employees, right? Now you want to read both. So that is you want to read a number and you want to read the details of that employee. Then what do you do it? You just say, so items, okay. So employee, I just take one variable, employee items. What is the name of this variable? Employee items. And I'm saying employee dictionary dot, what is the name of the method? Items. So what is the name of this method? Items is a method. So the name of the dictionary is employee dictionary and name of the method what you have is items, right? Then what I'm saying is print employee. What I'm writing here? Items. So you are trying to print items here. Okay. So once you run this, now these are called a dictionary of items. Okay. Now there is a dictionary of items which is having a list And within the list, you have a, what do you have list? And inside the list, what do you have? Sorry, within the list, see, this is a, yes, there is a tuple, right? So this is a tuple which contain employee number is a key and the list is what here? Values. Employee number is a key and list is a values. So this will return one tuple. So each item is written as one tuple. So can you assign these tuples to one variable or not? Yes. So what you can do is you can say for, okay, for, what is the first one? Employee number, comma. I just take one more variable called data. So here employee number is a key and data is what here? Values. Employee number is a key and data is a values. Now this data is assigned to which variable here? Listed. This data is assigned to which variable here? Listed. And what is the key is given? Employee number, right? So in okay, in what is the name of this dictionary of items? Employee items. So it will read each time one key and there's a value which is called as a list. It will read the key and there is a value called which one? List. So there is a key and one more value is called which one here? List. So print, what should I print here? Employee number and one more is which one? Data. Now you can see this is the employee number which is 101 and this is a list employee number 102 and this is a list employee number 103 and this is what again? List. Okay. So you are reading both key as well as what values. You are reading both key as well as what here values. Okay. But using which view? Items view. You are reading both key and values by using which view? Items view, right? Just try to understand this here. Yes. Now dictionary is having different views. Now using this view objects, you can able to read content of which one? Dictionaries, right? So this is what you are trying to do it. Okay. Yeah, this is what you are trying to do it. So this is a dictionary one is there, and this is players dictionary, and this is the employees dictionary, right? Okay. Yes. Now dictionary is a mutable collection. So dictionary is a mutable. Dictionary is a mutable collection. Okay. After creating a dictionary, okay, dictionary is a mutable collection. Dictionary is a mutable collection. After creating dictionary, what changes can be done? Okay, dictionary is a mutable collection. After creating dictionary, changes can be done, right? So these are the mutable operations. So what are the mutable operations of dictionary? Okay, so these are mutable operations. These are mutable operations of dictionary here. So what are the mutable operations of dictionary? The first one is adding item within dictionary. How can you add an item within dictionary? Okay, you can add an item within dictionary by using this particular syntax. What is the syntax I'm using? A dictionary name of key equal to which one? Value. Okay, dictionary name of key equal to value. So if key is not exists, if key not exists, okay, so PVM adds, okay, PVM adds key and which one? Value. If key not exists within dictionary, key is not exists within dictionary, PVM adds key and what is that? Value. PVM adds a key and a value. if key not exist within dictionary. Okay. If the key is not there within the dictionary, PVM, what it will do, it will add the key and what is that? Value. So this is done by using this syntax, right? You are saying dictionary name of key equal to value. But suppose if the keys exist, if key exists within dictionary, if key exists within dictionary, what PVM will do? PVM update value of PVM update value of, okay, value of which one? Given key. If key not exists within dictionary, PVM adds key and value. If key exists within dictionary, PVM update value of given key. Value of given key. Right now, this is how you are adding item within dictionary. So dictionary name of key equal to value. If key not exists within dictionary, PVM adds key and what is that? Value. If key exists within dictionary, PVM update value of given key here, right? Yes. Suppose assume that, see, these are called, for example, so during runtime, how can you add items within the dictionary? There are different approaches out there. Okay. For example, there is a dictionary one is there. There is a dictionary one is there. What is the name of the dictionary? Dictionary one, which is having a key. So there is a key, 101 is a key, or suppose anything you can take. Or I create one empty dictionary. So is it this dictionary is having any items here? No. This dictionary is what here? Empty. Nothing is there inside this dictionary, right? Now this dictionary is what here? Empty. This dictionary is empty. Now, if you want to add some items within this dictionary, then how can you add the items within dictionary? You just write dictionary one of. You just write like dictionary one of. Okay. So just give the key. For example, I'm taking course name as a key. Is it key Java is exist within the dictionary? No. Then what will happen? It will add. It will add the Java as a key and 2000 as what here? Value. It will add the Java as a key and 2000 as a value. So here Java is a key and 2000 is a value. So if the key is not exist, it will add the key along with what? Value. Okay. So if I'm saying dictionary one of, okay, there is a key. And what is a key here? Oracle. Is it key Oracle is exist or not exist? Yes. Then what will happen? It will add the Oracle key along with the value called which one? 1500. So if I'm saying dictionary one, so one more item is added or not? Yes. So if you want to add the values during runtime, you are adding the values during runtime by giving dictionary name of key. You have to give the key here. So what is the key I'm writing here? C++. So C++, I just assign the value 1000, right? So is a dictionary one is added with the key and values or not? Yes. So this is a key and value, this is a key and value, and this is a key and this one is called as which one? Value, right? So you are adding key along with the value by using this particular approach, right? So if you want to add content within the dictionary, if you want to add the content within the dictionary, okay, you are using this particular syntax. For example, so during runtime, this is nothing but during runtime, okay? If you want to add the items during runtime, you are adding the items during runtime by using this particular approach. Okay. Yes. How you are adding it? Now it is like this. For example, so create a dictionary with n products. Create a dictionary with n products each product is having, okay, name, and one more is a price. So create a dictionary with how many products here? N products. And each product is having name. What product is having name? And also having which one? Price. So you have to read N products here. Okay. You have to read how many products here? N products. Okay, right now this is how you are doing it. If the key is not exist within dictionary, PVM adds key and value. And if keys exist within dictionary, PVM update value of the given key here, right? So this is a simple program. Create a dictionary with N products. How many products you have to take? N products, and each product is having how many values here? Two values. One is the name and one more is which one? Price. So what you have to do is you have to create a one dictionary here. What is this dictionary? Product dictionary. So this product dictionary is what here? Empty. This dictionary is empty here. Okay, this dictionary is empty. Now inside this dictionary you have to add. What is this? Name of the product is a key and price is what here? Value. Name of the product is a key and price is a value. So what you have to do? You have to enter value of N. N is nothing but integer of input. Enter how many? Enter how many what? Products. You want to input the details of how many products here, right? So if the value of N is some 5, inside the dictionary should add how many products? 5 products. If the value of N is a 10, inside the dictionary should add how many products? 10 products, right? So I have to write one for loop for I in range of N. For I in range of N, okay, N is there. For I in range of N, okay, yes. So what you have to input here? Name. So what is this? Enter name of the product. Enter the name of the product and enter price of the product. So enter the name and enter which one? Price. Two things are there. One is a name and one more is a price. So you have to add this. How can you add inside the dictionary? You can say product dictionary of, okay, product dictionary of name equal to which one? Price. So you are taking the name as what here? Key, and price as what here? Value, right? So this is how you are trying to add it. Okay, name as a key and price as a value. So then how can you read this? You can just write product name comma price in what I can write? Product dictionary dot which one here? Items. So this items will return which view here? Items view. This dictionary written which view? Items view. Items view means each item is written as one tuple. Each item is written as one tuple, and each tuple is read and assigned to how many variables? Two variables. Means this tuple is having how many values? Two values. If you assign one tuple here, if I'm writing a comma b equal to 10 comma 20, okay, now this is a tuple, right? This tuple is assigned to how many variables here? Two variables. Now this 10 is assigned to a variable A, and this 20 is assigned to the variable what? B. So 10 is assigned to the variable A, right? And 20 is assigned to the variable B. So what is the value of A here? 10. And what is the value of B here? 20. The value of A is a 10 and the value of B is a 20. So then after that, I'm trying to print a product name, comma, price. Now once you run this, now enter how many products, some two products. The first one is a mouse and the price is 100. Second one is a keyboard and the price is some 1500. Now you can see the name of the product and the price, name of the product, and one more is a price. So you are trying to read both key as well as what, which one? Value. Okay, so this is how you are creating dictionary with both what do you call it as key and value. So this is an example for adding. This is an example for adding content within dictionary, right? This is an example for adding content within dictionary. Yes. You have to understand this. How can you add it? How can you add the content within dictionary? Now this is called which operation? Mutable operation. So here, just try to answer some questions here. Now related with the dictionaries here. So how can you create? Now you can see keys of dictionary must be here. Keys of dictionary must be antique, unique, mutable, and one more is integers. Tell me here. Keys of dictionary must be keys inside the dictionary must be which type? Keys inside the dictionary must be which type? Mutable, immutable, antique, unique. What is this? Keys are which one? Keys are what here? Unique. Okay. Keys are what here? Unique. Unique. Keys of the dictionary must be unique. Means duplicates are allowed or not allowed? Not allowed. Keys must be unique. Okay. Dictionaries. Now second question comes here is dictionaries in Python are dash. Mutable data types, non-mutable data type, mapping data type, both A and C. Yes, dictionaries in Python are mutable data type as well as mapping data type. Okay, mutable data type as well as mapping data type. Now, which of the following is used to delete? Delete we have not come across, right? We can repeat the values of key in dictionary, true or false. We can repeat the values of a key in dictionary, false, because keys must be what here? Unique. Keys must be what here? Unique, right? So you cannot repeat the keys within the dictionary. So there is a method. Next method is what here? Yes, clear. We have not come across. Now see here, which statement is used to create an empty dictionary? D1 equal to empty curly brace. D1 equal to empty parenthesis. D1 equal to dictionary and curly braces. D1 equal to square brackets. D1 equal to which one? Curly braces. Now this will create which dictionary here? Empty dictionary. Empty dictionary is created by using empty curly braces. So dictionary is a dash data type, sequence data type, mapping data type, ordered data type, none of the above. Dictionary is dash data type, sequence, mapping, ordered, none of the mapping. Dictionary is which data type? Mapping data type. So dictionary is which data type? Mapping data type. So dictionaries are flexible in nature, means elements can be added or removed from it. True or false? Dictionaries are flexible in nature, means elements can be added or removed from it. Yes. So it is a mutable, right? You can add as well as what? Remove it. You can add as well as what here? Remove it. Okay. So write the output of the following. Dictionary 1 equal to A 50, B 50. And dictionary 2 A 500 and B 50. So print now. Now we have not come across this relational operator. Once we come across this relational operator, then we'll discuss that question here. Only values can be printed in the dictionary, true or false. See here, only values can be printed in dictionary, true or false. Array, tell me, can you print only values of the dictionary? Can you print only values of the dictionary, true or false? True. You can print only values, right? Now, just now we printed values. How can you print the values from the dictionary? By using a method called values. How can you print the values from the dictionary? By using a method called values. How can you print the keys from the dictionary? By using a method called keys. How can you print the items from the dictionary? By using a method called items. Both key and values, right? So you can read only values from the dictionary. Okay. Key value concept is in dash, list, string, dictionary, or tuple. A key value concept is in which one? Dictionary, right? Not tuple here, dictionary. Okay. So in dictionary, keys and values are separated by colon, comma, semicolon, and dot. Colon. Key and values are separated with what? Colon. Colon. You are using key and values separated with the colon. So all elements in dictionary are separated by dash. Colon is there, comma is there, semicolon is there, and dot is there. All elements in dictionary are separated by colon, comma, semicolon, and one more is a dot. All elements are separated with what? Comma, right? Elements are separated with a comma, but key and values are separated with colon, right? Elements are separated with a comma, but key and values are separated with colon. So both keys and values are unique in dictionary. False. Only keys are unique, but values are not unique. So what is the output is written? False. So which of the following is an example of dictionary? L equal to square brackets, C equal to parenthesis, D equal to curly braces. Yes, D equal to curly braces. Now that represents what here? Dictionary, right? Okay. Next one is 1, 2, 3 are dash in the following dictionary. 1, 2, 3 are what? Keys are, values are, items are, none of the above. Keys. 1, 2, 3 are called which one? Keys. 1, 2, 3 are called keys in what here? Dictionary. So keys in dictionary are dash, mutable, immutable, antique and integers. Immutable. Keys are what? Immutables. But values are mutable. Okay. Keys are immutable, but values are mutables. Okay. Right. The next one is, now what type of error is written by the following code? A is for apple, B is for banana, and C is for cat. Print A of 1. What is 1 here? What is 1 here? Key. What is 1 here? Key. Is it 1? Is it key 1 is there or not there? Not there. But there is a key called A, and there is a key called which one? B, and there is a key called which one? C. So there is a key A, there is a key B, and there is a key what here? C. But is it key A, B, C is there? No. Then generate which error? Key error. If there is invalid index, you get which error? Index error. If there is an invalid key, you'll get which error? Key error, right? So this will generate which error here? Key error. This will generate key error. Okay. So write the output of the following code. So there is a dictionary contain A, apple, B, banana, C is for cat. A of A. So key A is there or not there? There. What will happen? It will replace the value. Apple is replaced with which one? Banana. So if you want to replace a value, yes. If you want to replace a value, you can replace it. If you want to replace a value, you can replace it by using, if you want to replace a value, you can replace a value by using this syntax. If keys exist within dictionary, what PVM is doing? Update the value of given key. If the keys exist within dictionary, so PVM update the value of that key. Okay. So what will happen in this case here? Yeah, just try to understand here. So there is a dictionary with a key and values. Okay, so what you can do here is, so this is updating values, updating value of dictionary. How can you update value of the dictionary? You can update the value of dictionary by using syntax. So dictionary keys are, what I said is dictionary keys are what here? Immutable. Dictionary keys are immutable, and dictionary values are what? Mutable. So we can modify values. We can modify values of which one here? Dictionary. Dictionary keys are immutable and dictionary values are what? Mutable. And we can modify values of what? Dictionary. But how can you modify the values of the dictionary? Now this is a syntax where you are using dictionary name of key equal to which one? Value. So this is a syntax which you are using it by just writing dictionary name of a key equal to which one? Value. So this is updating the value of given. Yeah, this is updating value of which one? Given key, right? So for that you are using this particular syntax, that is dictionary name of key equal to which one? Value. Okay. Yes. Now just try to understand, if the keys exist, it will update the value. If the keys not exist, it will add the value. If key exists within dictionary, if key exists within what? Dictionary. Okay, PVM. If key exists within a dictionary, PVM update value of given key. If key not exists within dictionary, okay, PVM add what it add? Key and value. If key exists within dictionary, PVM update value of given key, and if key not exists within dictionary, PVM add key and what is that? Value. PVM add both key as well as what? Value. So that is what we mean by updating here, right? So if the key is there, it will replace it. If the key is not there, then what will it do? Add it. It's a reverse, right? Just here. So there is a dictionary. One is there. Dictionary one is there with 1 comma 1:10, 2:20, 3:30, and 4:40. So if you take this is one dictionary, how can I replace the value? Now I'll say dictionary one of, you want to replace the value of which key? Now just give the key. What is the key I'm giving? 3. So dictionary one of 3 equal to 100. So is it 3 is there or not there? There. Then it will replace this 30 with what here? 100. So if you print dictionary 1, what dictionary 1 is having? Now 1 is a key and 10 is a value and 2 is a key, 20 is a value and 3 is a key and 100 is what? Value. Now is it 30 is replaced with 100 or not? Yes. So this 30 is replaced with what here? 100, right? So that is how you are trying to do the replacement. Suppose if I'm writing dictionary 1 of 5, if I'm writing dictionary 1 of 5 equal to some 60, dictionary 1 of 5 equal to 60, what will happen in this case? So is it 5 is added or replaced or added? So key is a 5 and value is what here? 60. Now this is how you are trying to replace. This is how you are trying to replace the values, right? So updating is also possible, right? How can you update it? If the keys exist, you are trying to update with a given value, right? If the keys exist, you are replacing it. If the keys not exist, if the keys not exist, okay, it will try to add it. So this is what the question is replacing. Now A is mapped with which one? Apple. Now I want to modify this apple to honor. How can you modify this apple to honor? Just give the key as what here? A. So A is the key, right? This A is modified from apple to which one? Honor here, right? So that is updating. Updating can be done by using this particular syntax. So updating value of the dictionary. Okay. So next. Now see here this question. Traversing a dictionary can be done using dash. Traversing means reading. So traversing means always you have to understand traversing is nothing but reading. So traversing a dictionary can be done using dash. Okay. If statement, looping statement, jump statement, and none of the above. Looping statement. How many ways can you read the content of the dictionary? I said using key, using for loop, and using dictionary view objects. Using key, using for loop, and using dictionary view objects. Now in this case, you can use which one? Looping statement. In this case, you can use which statement? Looping statement. Okay. So the following code will return data as a dash. Where is the code here? No code is there. Okay. So write the output of not because we have not come across that method. Write the output of this method also we have not come across. So the methods which you know that I'm telling you. So 1 1 2 2 3 3 A apple, B bat, C cat, D and doll. For I and A, for an I and A means what is A here? Dictionary, right? From this dictionary, what you are reading? For loop will read the keys of values. For loop will read the key of value. For loop read what? Key. So what will it do? Every time it will read the key. Now what is the first key? 1. What is the second one? 2. What is the third one? 3. So every time it will read the key from the dictionary, right? What is the first one? 1 is read and assign to a variable called I. And 2 is read and assign to a variable called I. And 3 is read and assign to a variable called I. So every time what it is reading? Is it reading the values from the dictionary or is it reading keys from the dictionary? Keys from the dictionary. It is not reading values from the dictionary. It is reading the keys from the dictionary, right? So that is 1, 1, 2, and 3. B is also 1, 2, and 3. And C is what here? 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. None of the above. The answer is A, which is 1, 2, and 3. And just here. Now, what will happen in this case? Which statement is not correct in reference to the following code? A equal to 1, 1, 2, 2, and 3, 3. Now, if you are writing A of 4 equal to 4, is it key 4 is there or not there? Not there. What will happen? Add it. It will add the key 4 with the value 4. It will add the key 4 with the value what here? 4. So that is how you are trying to add it. Key and value. So 4 is a key and 4 is what here? Value. Yes. So it will add. Now this syntax will add it. It will add value at the end of dictionary. It will modify value if the key already exists. It will add value in between of the dictionary, all of the above, right? It will add the value at the end of the dictionary. It will add the value at the, no, it will add value in between, no, because 4 means it will add at the end, not in between because, yes. Okay, always the syntax get added where at the end, right? So where the 4 is added here, in this case, When you write dictionary 1 of 5 equal to 60 means, is it 5 equal to 60 is added at the end or in between? At the end, right? It is added at the end, not in between. Now some answer is right. Okay. Now this is updating how many values? Is it this updating? This syntax will update one value or more than one? One. But if you want to update more than one, you take the help of one method. What is the method is update method. Update method of dictionary. What is this here? Update. There is a method called update. Update method of dictionary is there. So using this update method, you can do two operations. One is adding and one more is what? Replacing. This method will do two operations. One is adding and one more is what here? Replacing. Two things are done. One is adding and one more is a replacing. Of this both are done by using which method? Update method. Okay. So this is update method of dictionary. Yes. How can you update? Now there is a, so this syntax, I mean this method performs, okay, two operations. Okay, one is updating values of existing keys. Okay, this method performs two operations. One is updating values of existing keys and second one is adding. Okay, updating values of existing keys and one more is adding which one here? New items. This method perform how many operations here? Two operations, right? One is updating values of existing keys, one, and then second one is adding new items, right? So two operations are done here. Okay. So if the keys are there, then it will do the updating. If the keys are not there, it will, but this will perform bulk operation. This method performs bulk operation. This method perform bulk operation. Bulk operation means this method add and update. Okay, adding new items. So this method performs bulk operations. What is the meaning of this? This method is used to add and update. To add and update what here? Multiple. To add and update multiple items. This method is used to add as well as update. How many items? One item or multiple items? Multiple items. Not one item. This is used for adding and updating. Multiple items can be done by using this particular approach. Okay, right? Yes. How can you do this here? Two methods are there. So what is the syntax of update? So this is a syntax of the update. You are writing dictionary name dot, what is the name of this method? Update. Dictionary name dot update and followed by another dictionary. So here you are trying to define one more dictionary. So whatever items are there in this dictionary are updated within this dictionary. Whatever items are there in this dictionary, this items are updated within this dictionary. So that is done by using a method called which one? Update. So dictionary name dot update, and this is one more dictionary. Okay. Yes. So what will happen in this example is, so what will happen in this example is, now I take simple. So 110 and 220. Now two items are there in this dictionary. T2 is there, and 3:30 and 4:40. Okay. So I take in how many dictionaries here? Two dictionaries. One is dictionary 1 and one more is dictionary 2. Two dictionaries are there. This is dictionary 1 and this is dictionary 2. So what I'm doing is I'm saying dictionary 1 dot update. What you're updating with dictionary 2. So what is there in dictionary 1? Now all the items. So is it added these two items of dictionary 2 into what? Dictionary 1. These two items of dictionary 2 are added into what here? Dictionary 1. Okay. Suppose, assume that there is a one more dictionary is there called a dictionary 3 is having 110 comma 220. So how many items are there in this dictionary? Two items. Now this is the first item and this is what here? Second item, right? And there is a dictionary 4 is there with 2:200 and 3:300 and 4:400. So how many dictionaries are there? Two are there. Now this is one dictionary and this is another dictionary. Now I'm saying dictionary 3 dot, what I'm saying here? Update. Dictionary 3 dot update with which one here? Dictionary 4. So whatever items are there in dictionary 4 updated with what here? Dictionary 3 items. Okay. Now when you say print dictionary 3, now you can see 110 to 200 because is it key 2 with the 20 is there, right? And this 2 is already there. So it will update with what here? Yes. 203, 304, 4. So it is doing how many operations here? Two operations. One is adding and one more is what? Updating. This is doing how many operations here? Two operations. One is adding and one more is replacing. Yes, please try to understand this. So there are some dictionaries here. Dictionary 1 is there and dictionary, yes. This is how you are trying to do it. Okay, yes. Okay, now this is how you update and add it. So by using a method called update, see here, this is a, if you see this previous example, so there is a method called which one? Update is there. See here, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. And B is one more dictionary, A, apple, B, bat, C, cat, D, doll. And A dot update, what is this? B. So B items are added into what? A. Now we say print B, what B is having? 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, A, apple, B, bat, C, cat, and D, doll. Okay, so if you want to perform some bulk operations, and you are doing that bulk operations with the help of, you are doing that bulk operations with the help of, yes, by using a method called which one? Update. So you are doing that bulk operations with the help of which method? Update method, right? Yes. So the next one is, so how can you remove the items from the dictionary? Yes. This is removing. So removing items from dictionary. So if you want to remove the items from the dictionary, see, this is what you do it. For example, if you are working with, suppose there is one dictionary is there. What is the dictionary you have? Address book. What is the dictionary here? Address book is there. What is the name of the dictionary? Address book. Okay. So what is this here? Address book is there. What do you do in address book? You add the address. Again, you update the address. You read the addresses and you replace the address, remove the address. So you are doing how many operations in this? Four operations you do it. Any collection, if you are working with any collection and you'll be doing how many operations on that collection? More than one. No, four operations you'll be doing it. What is the first operation? Adding. Now suppose if you take your mobile is having address, your mobile is having phone book or not? Yes. What do you do it? You add the contact and you remove the contact and you update the contact and you retrieve the contact. Add the contact, remove the contact, update the contact, as well as what? Retrieve the contact. So this many operations you are doing on which one? Dictionary. This many operations you are doing on which one? Dictionary. Adding contact, removing contact, updating the contact, and retrieving the contact, right? So these four operations, you're doing it with the help of which one? So removing items from dictionary. So there are multiple ways in which you can remove the items from dictionary. So how many ways are there? So there is a delete keyword you can use. Yeah, what are those? What are those approaches? So number of approaches are there. Okay. Pop is there, pop item, delete. Okay. Yes. And there is a remove method. Yes. There is a clear method. Yes. Now you can see here. Sorry. So how can you do all these operations? Now you can see. Delete dictionary of key. Delete dictionary of key. So this is the first one. Delete dictionary of key. This is the first approach. So delete dictionary of key. Okay, so what you're doing, remove dictionary of key from where? Dictionary rises. Which error here? Key error. If key is not in the map. If the key is not there in the dictionary, it rises which error? Key error. So there is a method called remove, clear. There is a method called which one? Clear. Clear is a method. What is the name of this method? Clear. Okay. Clear is a method, and this method remove all items from the dictionary. So that is done by using which method? Clear, right? So there is one more method is there called pop. So there is one more method is there, and what is the name of this method? Pop. So pop is a method. So pop is a method. If key is in the dictionary, remove it and return its value, else return default. If key is in the dictionary, remove it and return its value, else it returns what here? Default. If default is not given and key is not in the dictionary, what will happen? A key error is raised. What will happen? Key error is raised. So for that, you are using a method called which one? Pop. And there is a method called which one? Pop item is there. There is one method called pop item. pop item is there. So remove. What pop item is doing? Remove and return a key and value pair from the dictionary. It will remove and return a key value pair from the dictionary. So pairs are written in which order? Leaf order. That is last in, first order. So you can see how many approaches are there. 4 approaches are there for doing this. So what is the first one? Delete. What is the second one? Clear. What is the third one? Pop. What is the fourth one? Pop item. Okay, delete, clear, pop, and one more is a pop item. Yes. Yes. See, now this will raise one error. Which error it will raise? Key error. Okay. Key error it rises if the key is not there. For example, there is a, okay, assume that there is a dictionary. For example, there is a contact. Okay, there is a contact dictionary is there. So what is there in contact? Name of the person. Okay, name of the person. And one more is which one? Mobile number. So now you just write a mobile number like this. Okay, you write a mobile number. So this is mobile number. Okay, so then name of a person. Then again you try what is your mobile number, right? So mobile number. Now this is contact list. Okay, now. So if I'm saying print contact dictionary, so this will return a dictionary with a name as well as what? Value. So name is a key and this phone number is what? Value. So this is a key and this is also value. Now, if I'm saying delete, I'm saying delete contact dictionary, delete contact dictionary of, contact dictionary of, what is a key? Nourish. So is it this particular item is deleted or not? Yes. This particular item is what here? Delete. So how many items are there in the dictionary? Only one item. Now, if I'm saying delete, again, if I'm saying contact dictionary of, if I say nourish, is it nourish is there or not there? Not there. Nourish is not there, right? Then it rises what here? Error. What is this error? Key error. If the key is there, it will delete. Okay, now if the key is there, it will delete. But if the key is not there, then it rises which error? Key error. If the key is there, it will delete. If the key is not there, then it rises. Which error here? Key error is rise. Okay, now, so that is the first. Now, as a developer, now when you go for NumPy and Pandas, all these will be useful. Okay, so don't think that it is over. Dictionaries are over. List is over. No. So if you are moving towards data science, you try to use all these approaches. So this is the dictionary with all the things you have here, right? Yeah, this is how you are trying to delete it. But that can be done by using which keyword? Delete keyword. So delete it followed by dictionary name and it followed by which one? Value. So which item you want to delete from the dictionary, you just define that. Which item you want to delete from the dictionary, you just define that, right? So in here you cannot debug. Debugging you can do in PyCharm and other things. Okay. Debugging is not done here. Debugging is done in the PyCharm and Spider and other things. Once we move to that, I'll tell you. Okay. Yeah, we'll see that. We'll see that, Anshul. We'll see how to work with a pop and pop item. Like we can use a dictionary also as a stack. So generally stack allows how many operations? Two operations. One is called as a pusher and one more operation is what? Pop, right? We'll see otherwise like, now this is deleting it. But if you want to remove all the items from the dictionary, you can simply use one method called which one? Clear. Clear method is used. See, whenever you work with any collection, see list, you learn list, right? You should know all operations of which one? List. How to add, how to replace, how to update, how to replace, how to delete, how to retrieve. If you know these four operations, you can do anything in list. List comprehension. Okay, in the same way, tuple, in the same way, set, in the same way, dictionaries. Okay, these are very important if you are moving towards data science or any other technology. Not only that, if you are learning Django or any other, even you try to use this. Okay, na? Right. So you can remove all the items from dictionary. See here, I'm creating a dictionary by saying dictionary of. Can I use a zipper or not? Yes. Zipper range 1 comma 6, 1 comma 6 comma. Now first range I'm using it as a keys and second range I'm using it as what? Values. So 70 comma 10. So 70 comma 10. So now these are keys and one more is a values. Okay, now if I say print, dictionary, so this dictionary contain 1 to 6 as a keys and 10 to 50 as what? Values. Because this is having how many, this range will generate how many values? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And this will generate how many values? 5. But actually this will generate 6. But how many keys are there? Because of that, it is added how many here? 5 items, right? If I'm saying dictionary one dot, what is the method I use? Clear. So this clear method, will it remove all the items or not? Yes. Now, in this case, your dictionary is what? Empty. Is it your dictionary is having any items? No, your dictionary doesn't have any items, right? Is it all the items are removed from dictionary or not? Yes. So that is done by using a method called which one? Clear. Clear is a method that will remove all the items from dictionary, right? Yes. Now we'll see some more methods are there like pop and pop item and how to work with all these things. But not today, but tomorrow we'll discuss about these methods and we'll take one simple application, one sample application and we'll work on this particular dictionary. Simple case study kind of thing and we'll try to do all the operations. But not today, but tomorrow we'll see that. Okay, now. So we'll stop it here today and tomorrow we'll continue this, right? So thank you. We'll see tomorrow, right? What do you ask your admin, right? You ask your admin. Admin is there or not there? You ask the admin, he'll give you here Abhirup. You ask the admin, he'll give you. Okay, now you ask the admin, he'll give you the. You ask the admin, he'll give you the Google Classroom link. Okay. You have not taken Google Classroom link, just take. Okay. ఏంటండి? ఏమైంది? Right. Right. Yeah, we'll see tomorrow. Right.